What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel, The Indian Algo. In this video, we will be talking about how patterns work. So there is a belief, ऐसा belief है लोग बोलते हैं कि patterns do not work, patterns काम नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन उसके पीछे कुछ reason होता है. अगर आप वो reason समझने के लिए ready हो, if you are ready to understand why these patterns do not work, or how you're supposed to trade these patterns, what is the right way to trade these patterns. It's not always that all the patterns will play out in your favor. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हमेशा जो भी आप पैटर्न ट्रेड करोगे वो आपका ब्रेकआउट सक्सेसफुल होगा. There is a reason behind it. There are few reasons behind it when the pattern actually goes in your favor. Okay, but before proceeding to this video, before moving ahead, I need to announce a little news for you guys that I am a mentor at Virtusva as of now, and we are three partners, and I have dropped the Instagram link. Drop the Instagram link in the description just in case you want to visit it. You guys can have a look. People who trade Nifty and Bank Nifty, there is a Telegram. There's a Telegram channel. You can have a look on that. We keep updating our trades on the Telegram channel as well. Also, my free Discord server is still active. You all can join the free Discord server, and I'll be posting at least 2 charts almost every night. हर रात को मैं 2 चार्ट at least में डालूंगा, where I will mention the levels for you all to trade and for myself to trade, and those levels will be all based on Wyckoff. So yes, you guys can have a look at the description. All the links are mentioned below. Alright, so in this video we'll be talking about patterns, and there's a very nice pattern that's being formed in JSW Steel on daily time frame, and this is the trade that I'm very like high likely gonna take it, and let's see what we get out of it. Okay, so I'm very interested in trading this pattern. So if you see here, what do we have? Definitely an up move. That's a pole, and this is what we call as a flag, right? This is what we call as a flag pattern. So it's a pretty nice pattern here, pretty nice pattern, and we are supposed to buy the breakout. Now obviously, first of all, you need to understand, आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि आपको इन patterns को break होने से पहले you need to understand what is the price doing inside. What is the price doing inside these ranges? Okay, what is the price doing inside these ranges? If you are simply trying to trade a breakout, it will not go in your favor. It will not go in your favor. वो कभी भी simply आपके favor में नहीं जाएगा. So एक simple सी एक चीज़ बता देता हूँ यहाँ पे. जैसे आपका ये पैटर्न है, okay, let's say this is your pattern. This is a flag pattern, and you're trying to trade this, and from here it gives this an up move. Now this up move is with huge momentum. If this up move is with huge momentum, अगर ये up move एकदम fast है, तो ये break नहीं करेगा, fake out देके वापस अंदर आ जाएगा. Okay, same applies for a resistance level. अगर आपने एक लेवल ऐसे मार्क की है और आपको एक ऐसा अप मूव मिलता है विथ इम्बैलेंस बीइंग क्रिएटेड, ओके, इम्बैलेंस, फास्ट अप मूव, इंपल्सिव मूव आता है एकदम, सो वो फेक आउट है. इट विल फेक आउट very easily. It will fake out. So what am I supposed to trade then? I need to see the price spending some time and giving me multiple touches, creating demand zones here, and then breaking out. Very simple. This is what I am supposed to do. Okay, so now let's come back to this chart. This is daily time frame of JSW Steel. All right. So if you see, on 5th of Jan there was a breakout. Now look at the breakout, guys. Just look at the momentum of the breakout. That's what I said. If there is an imbalance move, it will not break. It will be a fake out and the price will come down, and that's what happened here. It was a fake out and the price simply fell lower. Price ने fake out दिया और price सीधा नीचे गिर गया. Now what am I supposed to do then? ठीक है, ये एक मैंने रेंज बना रखी है. ओके, अगर मैं इन फेजेस को रीड करूं, ओके, I'll remove this range. मैं रेंज हटा देता हूँ. अगर मैं इन फेजेस को रीड करूँ कि प्राइस इस एरिया में क्या कर रहा है, so I can clearly see a Wyckoff, sorry, I can clearly see a Wyckoff accumulation happening. A Wyckoff accumulation happening right here. Let's try to understand the phases. Okay, so here I have PS, preliminary support. I have selling climax, automatic rally. Okay, then we have ST here, then again we have an ST here, then we have spring action that formed the channel. Spring action जिसने channel को form किया. Price moved up. ये क्या हो गया हमारा SOS, एक अच्छे मोमेंटम के साथ गया ऊपर. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा SOS. अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखूंगा तो यहाँ पे प्राइस ने काफी टाइम स्पेंड किया है. प्राइस हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम हियर. नाउ व्हाट डू यू थिंक गाइस, व्हाट इज दिस? इफ यू रिमेंबर, बहुत बेसिक सी चीज हमने बहुत पहले सीखी होगी, मेरी वीडियो में मैंने मेंशन किया था जब हम डिमांड एंड सप्लाई पढ़ते थे. डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. सो रैली, बेस, रैली, ड्रॉप, बेस, ड्रॉप. तो ये क्या है? इट्स अ ड्रॉप, बेस, rally. Okay, so this is drop, base, base, rally. So base में क्या होता है? base में demand होती है, right? There is demand in the base. Now guys, if this base is respected, okay, if this base is respected and then there comes a breakout of this trend line, this stock is heading towards all-time highs. JSW Steel is heading towards all-time highs. This is what we need to understand, that a breakout is genuine when there is build up, when there is something happening inside the range, when there is something that's occurring inside the pattern. Okay, this is what we need to understand, right? So if we try to understand this, let's say there is a pattern here, there is a pattern. Yeah, I guess this is how it would look like. Okay, now we need to see more supply zones here. We need to see more supply zones here. This was a very simple trade. I don't think so there should be any problem. But again, right, we need to see supply here at the breakout. We need to see supply here at the, we need to see more supply inside this range. We need to see more supplies inside this range. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare or make a bias. And if you do not get any structure inside the range, if you do not get something that is holding on to this structure, you don't necessarily have to trade it. You don't necessarily have to trade that pattern. So this is, in this video I'm not exactly showing you how patterns work or how these things play out, but I'm trying to show you a Wyckoff accumulation for a swing trade in JSW Steel. Okay, but I've also told you a reason that why these patterns work out. Alright, so I'll wait for this breakout right here, or I would want to enter few of my trades positions at this point and few positions at the breakout, and this is where we'll be targeting all-time highs, at least 800. So just imagine the flag pattern. Once it breaks out, it wouldn't even stop at 800, it can go to 1000. This is JSW Steel. Some good fundamentals definitely, right? So this is how we need to prepare ourselves for taking trades for the next few sessions. So this is a very nice swing trade, and keep an eye on this. This is definitely gonna play out, and I'm looking forward to it pretty much. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Okay, so yep, that's all for this video, guys. If you liked it, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Please share your doubts in the comment section. I try to reply as much as I can or as soon as I can. Like the video, share the video, guys, and I hope you'll be able to make some money out of this trade. Just make sure you do not enter at least, like, enter at least above this level, at least above this level. Do not try to enter anywhere here. It will be a little risky. It will be a little risky. Do not try to enter anywhere around here. Try to enter, like, if this range is being supported, try to enter when the prices are here. Okay, and don't enter a imbalance fake, a breakout. Okay, don't enter this. What I want you to do is let it touch, come back, touch the previous demand, respect, 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 and then you will see this playing out. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to enter a trade or enter a breakout of the pattern. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video, and yes, I'll try to share more swing trade setups with you all. Yes, thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.